Welcome to the Hard Hat Training Series. Operators must be well trained in safe operation, including how to rig, lift, and move loads to assure their safety and the security of the people working around them. Training allows operators to reduce the hazards created by bad habits or lack of knowledge. Proper training will prevent disaster, save lives, and also increase the efficiency of workers operating hoists and cranes. In our highly mechanized world, cranes are the workhorses that have increased the economic growth and productivity of construction, mining, logging, maritime, production, and service facilities. Overhead cranes are versatile machines found in the industrial environments. Unlike mobile cranes, overhead cranes are used for manufacturing, storing, and loading and unloading loads inside a facility, outside in a yard, or at a railway or shipping port. Overhead cranes come in various types of lifting devices. From floor-mounted jibs that swing and are accessible in nearly 360-degree area to bridge cranes that can reach any part of the facility, training is needed to ensure safe operation and productivity. During this training, we will cover the anatomy of the crane and stress the importance of inspecting it each day before it is put into service. We will look at the importance of knowing the machine's capacity and understanding correct rigging for each lift. We will also discuss safe operating, load handling principles, and safety principles for this electrical crane. We will also discuss the importance of good communication and basic signaling on the job site, whether it be through hand signals, radio, or telephone. Lastly, we will introduce some of the most common hazards associated with overhead crane operation and show you how to recognize, avoid, or minimize them. Upon completion of this training, you should be familiar with the types of overhead cranes used by your company, have an increased knowledge of how to safely operate them, and be able to recognize the common hazards that surround their use. Strictly defined, overhead cranes are used to move extremely heavy loads or loads that come in bulk horizontally through a facility. These cranes have extremely high lifting capacities, and their travel is directed by an operator using a wired pendant station or wireless remote controls.